No time, no tutor, no worry. Band-aid in 2 weeks for my first try. All I had is this 3-step self-study plan. If you are running out of time and struggling with IELTS writing, just follow my steps. Step 1. General practice. This step is especially useful for candidates taking the IELTS test for the first time. Strategy. Timed practice. First, full test practice. Full test practice means you need to complete the listening, reading, and writing sections in one sitting. The IELTS exam is nearly 3 hours long and can be exhausting. Writing is a final section where you must think critically, organize the ideas, and write clearly after already completing 2 hours of intense work. This timed full test practice strategy will help you build stamina for the full test duration and prepare you for the mental and physical challenges of the exam. Second, focused writing practice. Spend 60 minutes exclusively on writing tasks. Use this practice to evaluate your speed, writing skills, and ability to work under timed conditions. This will help you identify your strengths and weaknesses in writing, and you should finish this step in the first 3 days. Step 2. Focused practice. Once you have assessed your ability, it's time to focus on targeted improvements. Strategy. Practice each paragraph. This strategy will help you get comfortable with the essay structures and improve your writing speed. Practice each paragraph repeatedly. For example, choose 5 Task 1 line graph practice tests and follow this schedule. First, practice paraphrasing the introduction. You should use techniques to rephrase effectively. Write 5 introductions in a row will improve your writing speed immediately. Second, practice planning and describing the overview. Summarize the main trends clearly and concisely. Organize data logically and describe details effectively. Third, practice writing body paragraphs. Write the same sentence patterns repeatedly in 5 different essays will help you memorize new sentence patterns much faster, trust me. This method works incredibly well. It ensures you to master each part of the essay structure quickly. Master new vocabulary and sentence pattern quickly. Help you efficiently allocate preparation time to weaker areas. For example, if you can complete the introduction and overview quickly and effectively, you can practice more on body paragraphs. Remember, you should finish step 2 in the next 6 days. 3 days for task 1, 3 days for task 2. Step 3, targeted time practice. With insights from the previous 2 steps, you can now refine your time management and essay writing skills. Strategy. Practice 2 tasks respectively and set target times. First, stop practice paragraphs. It's time to write a full essay. Set your goals. Start with 40 minutes for task 2 and 20 minutes for task 1. As you improve, adjust your target to maybe 35 minutes for task 2 or 15 minutes for task 1. This approach helps you to reallocate your writing time and figure out the best time strategy for you. You should finish this step in the last 5 days. Remember, don't blindly follow any general advice. It's crucial to develop your own strategy based on your strengths and weakness. That's all for today. Try these steps and let me know how they work for you. If you like this video, please check out these 2 videos. You will need. If you have any questions about these strategies or need more tips, leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IELTS tips.